All right, so today we're going to talk about the product rule, or it's also known as the product of powers rule. This starts when we have something of the same base. So here our bases are x, and when we multiply those two bases when they have exponents, we add the exponents. So let's see that in a couple of examples, or actually more than a couple of examples. So let's start with 2 to the third power times 2 to the fifth power. Because these are the same base of 2, so I'm going to keep the base. And then I'm going to do 3 plus 5. And my ultimate answer is 2 to the 8th power. Here's an example with a variable. So let's go with z to the 4th times z to the 9th. Again, I keep my base. I add my exponents and keep that as a superscript. I get z to the 13th. So this is going to work with sets of numbers. If I have w to the x power, wx, not x powered, and then x cubed. So here, my w doesn't have any friends, but my x's, there's really a 1 here. I'm going to have x, and it's the 1 plus 3 gives me w x to the 4th. And I can see that again if I have a number. I have 4 y squared times y to the 5th. The number doesn't have any numbers with it, so we'll just leave it alone. And then my y's get multiplied together by keeping the base and then adding my exponents. So I get 4y to the 7th. And that is the product rule or product of powers rule.